Hey, I'm Levi. I'm going to tell you about the software engineering department at Xometry. I would say the software engineering culture at Xometry is very collaborative. I think that defines a lot of what we do, especially as a global organization. We have several office hubs around the world. The communication and collaboration at Xometry is especially focused on being accessible to people in a variety of time zones. We're a very global company, and I think it's also important to develop one-on-one relationships. I think that enables a level of alignment and being able to row in the same direction that's important for us to be able to really move the needle for our customers. I think one of the things I love most about working at Xometry is the variety of people I meet here. At any tech company, you're going to see people with a variety of backgrounds, but I think especially at Xometry, a huge portion of the people I meet have very non-standard career paths. I'll see people that worked in areas completely unrelated to software, and then somehow or another their life took them into software, and they always bring such unique viewpoints and such unique perspectives on the problems we solve. And I think being able to learn from that diverse background is super useful. To learn more about Xometry's rapidly evolving platform, please follow us.